Okay, let's look at how you can create layers in your AutoCAD drawing. Okay, layers are found here and you can create new layers by clicking on the layer properties button here. And then you have a few options here. You have create new layer, you can freeze layer, or you can delete layers, or you can set current layer. Okay, the default setting is you will have this layer name 0 with all these settings. So this is for turn on and off of your layer. This is for freezing or thaw your layer. And this is for locking or unlocking your layer, and this is whether you want to plot or not plot, which in other words, if you want to print or not print that layer. Okay, we are going to create 4 layers. Let's create, and these layers are based on the line type. Okay, we create new layer and call it the object layer, and then I want the color for the lines in this layer to be a red colored layer. Okay, and I want, okay, so these object lines are usually continuous lines. Okay, so I won't change that. You can also change the line weight to depending on what type of layer. Okay, so we will choose 0.5 for our object layer, and that's it. And I'm going to create another layer, which is the hidden lines layer. Okay, hidden lines, and I want the color to be yellow. Okay, and I'm going to change the line type to the hidden line. Okay. So how do I change from the continuous line to a hidden line? So I click on this load button, and I will search for that hidden layer line. Okay, so hidden layers are these ones. Okay, there are usually a few options that you can use. If your object is very big, you probably need to use these 2 times hidden layer, hidden type. If your object is very small, then you probably need to use this one. So I'm just going to use the regular one. Okay, and then I'm going to choose hidden and okay. So the lines that I draw in this layer is going to be the hidden type. Okay, I'm also going to change this to 0.3. Okay, I'm going to create a center line, another layer for center lines. So I'm going to load the center lines. Okay, and choose the center line. I'm going to change the color to green. Okay, and just one more for dimensions. Okay, why we need to create these layers? So that when you are drawing you're creating your drawings, sometimes you have too many lines, which can be confusing. Okay, let me finish doing this first. Change the color to white and line to be regular continuous line. Okay, so dimensions. All right. Okay, so we have all these layers. Let's see. So I'm going to draw on the object layer. So I'm going to click on that line, and it's going to be highlighted. I'm going to close it. So at the moment, the active layer is the 0 layer. I don't want that. Let's go to the object layer. Okay, so that's how you activate it. Or you can also make sure that that tick is there. Okay, close. And I'm going to start to draw my object. Alright, that object, and then I'm going to change my layer to hidden layer. So as you can see, this is a different line type because I've set it to be like that, right? Okay, and draw just two more lines, right? So when we look at these lines, you see it's not suitable. The dash is too small, you can't see the dash, so you can change the line type to a bigger dash. Okay, bigger hidden lines. Try to use this one. Okay, and then close. Yeah, so that is better, don't you think? So that is how you change. Okay, so for example, I don't want to see. Okay, and I'm going to turn off my hidden layer. So when I close this, you see, so my hidden layer is right now turned off, so I won't be able to see it, but it's there. Okay, so this is just so that it's easier to do my work, and there's not too many lines on the screen that can be confusing. So that is basically what layers are useful for. Thank you.